Hi and welcome back. It's time for a new project, and this will be for the lathe. It will be a steady stand, and I will start with the base. This is the one that goes under the vase, and this one will go on top of this. I will have to mill down this piece is a little bit too thick, and on top of this too, this one will go, and this one I will mill out a 45-degree angle here, so it suits this 45-degree way, and I start with that. And here you can see how it's gonna look. This piece here, that is 5 inches in diameter, will be cut away, and I will make this out of sheet metal, 4mm thick, and there will be 2 pieces of this, and the total diameter of this is 9 inches, and the wide of this is 2 inches. And I'm gonna use, zoom in a little bit, like this, and this, and then there will be a bearing here, and even one here, but I only got 2 bearings for now. I had to buy another one. And they are threaded, and the thread is M10, and this one will go into this like so, but as you can see it doesn't fit. I must mill down this edge about 0.5 millimeters on each side, so it will slip in here. But let's go back to the base and the milling. And here you can see this one goes on there, but I did a little mistake. I milled this V here a little bit too deep, so this ain't lying absolutely flat or square, so I will have to mill down this surface about 0.7 millimeters. I do that now. Okay, now it looks much better. And as you can see, this piece here are a little bit too high, so I will mill this down about 6.57 millimeters, and then these two pieces will be welded together. So let's do some more milling on this one. Time to do some milling? No. Time to weld these two parts together, here and here, and then I will mill down this face here and the other side too, so that the width will be the same. And these holes are nothing to do with this. Okay, I will now mill this down to the same height that this piece are. Okay, next thing to do will be to drill a hole in the center of this bottom plate and also a hole in this upper plate. 10 millimeters. Okay, we got a hole drilled here and a hole drilled here, and this M10 rod welded to the bottom, and the thing goes like this. This goes on top, and this, then there will be a washer and a nut here, of course. And of course I had to shorten this. It's much too long right now. So what's next to do?